Hi, welcome back to Frames and Forge YouTube. I'm just going to do a little film on the new Anyang ST forging press we've got for a customer so he can see it working, because we're about to send it to him. It's a 30-ton press. I do a 50-ton. This is their new model. I really like this. It's a bit less complicated than the other one and it's really quick. But I'll show you the features of it and then I'll forge a bit of bar on it. Now, when you turn it on, if you turn it on and for some reason, you can press pull start, I've got manual down, manual up. If you turn it on and for some reason it doesn't work, you've got a phase around the wrong way, stop it immediately, change two wires, because I've had people that have got L1 on L2 if their workshop's wrong. So it's hydraulic pump, it will be sucking instead of blowing. It won't hurt the machine if you turn it off quick. Now we've filled it with oil, so they've got a different feature on there. You've got manual, I'll put it on manual, manual down, manual up. Now if I hit emergency stop, it doesn't turn the pump down, but it stops you bringing it down, look. So you can't cross your hands because it's on automatic, but you can still lift it up. Then if I put it on, it's because an emergency's jammed in. If I take the emergency out, then away it goes. So if you accidentally lean on it and then you think it isn't working, that's easy. Twist it and pull it out. Power hammers do the same. You watch it when it goes down, look. I'm going to heat a bar up on our induction heater. I'm going to bring it through and forward.